Good boy Paz. Good boy Kawaii. Good boy Max. Good boy Stu. Good girl Corey. Good boy Rupert. Oh, it's a wet morning. Good boy Kelly. Good girl Estelle. Good boy Kelly. Good girl Corey. Good boy Rupert. Good boy Fuzzy. Good boy Stu. Good boy Max. Estelle. Hey Kelly. Everyone's so wet. Good girl Hunter, good boy Preston. Good boy Kelly. Good boy Brad. Good boy Dante. Come on, Brad, leave it. Good girl, Maybelline. Good boy, Brad. Good girl, Hunter. She's okay, she's friendly. Good girl. Oh, good boy, Brad. Hello. Hello. Good girl, good boy.
What are you doing?
Are those all your dogs?
No, just one of them is mine.
Walker,
Yeah, you can pet them if you want. They're all friendly. That's Maybelline.
Hi, baby.
That's Brad.
Aww.
And that's Hunter. So two girls and one boy. Yeah. Yeah.
Which one's yours?
Maybelline is mine.
Oh,
She's the
beautiful
pack
name.
leader. Yeah, yeah. Oh, sorry.
Don't worry, you're good.
All right, thank you.
Highway.
Come on, girls. Okay, we're turning this way.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Oh, we're actually turning this way. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Good boy, Brad. Good girl, Hunter. Good boy, Preston. Good boy, Dante. Good boy, Brad. Hunter, Dante. I don't see you around at all.
I've been out and about.
Out and about. I guess different schedules. I'm not normally here at this time either.
Yeah.
She's just out for a quick pee break, so that's why I'm here. We're normally out in Cabbagetown at this time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's a big one.
Yep, that's Corey.
Polar bear. That is quite possibly
Yeah.
the first so soft.
Yeah. Aw, good girl, Corey. Yeah, she's a good.
This one always on high alert.
Yeah, you know, that's Maybelline, right?
Yeah.
She's the one that screams all the time if she sees a squirrel or a streetcar or a
Hey,
pigeon. Maybelline. Say hi to Jay. No. Couldn't care less. One of the professors yelled at us yesterday because she was screaming so loud, and I was just like pulling the dog to get her away. He opened up the window and screamed. Screamed.
Sorry.
Yeah, no, I apologize. But like I told him, her WhatsApp is down, you know, so she can only communicate by barking, right? Good girl Maybelline, good boy Dante, good girl Corey, good girl Hunter, good boy Brad, good boy Dante, good girl Maybelline, good girl Hunter. Good boy, Brad. That's Brad.
Hi, Brad. How are you?
Good boy,
How
Brad.
are you? Hello, Doris.
That's Hunter.
Hunter. Sorry.
Hunter, Brad, and Maybelline.
Hello, sweet pea.
Yeah, Brad's nice and calm. He's a good boy.
Hello.
Good girls.
Is it
Oh,
good
he's
to be
leaning
here?
on you.
Is it good to be here?
Yeah.
A short break.
Good
Yeah.
boy, Brad. Take a break from walking.
It's a lovely coat.
Yeah, he's got a very nice coat. Right, Bradley? They're calming, eh? You pet the dog, it calms you down, lowers your blood pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good boy. Good girl. Good girl. All right, we're gonna get going. All right, have a nice day. Bye.